Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on beauty reviews and tutorials. Today we're going to be doing a review and full tutorial of the Tymo high-speed hot airbrush. You may have seen this on social media. I know for me, this started to show up a lot on Instagram, and obviously, I had to see what it was all about. So as you can see in the box, we have the base piece. We have the volumizing styling brush, we have a paddle brush, and also a drying concentrator if you just want to dry your hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys how these three pieces are different from each other and just how it works on your hair compared to a regular hair dryer. So I'm going to go wash my hair and then we can begin with the tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to try the hairdryer again, but on one side I'm going to be using the smoothing paddle brush, and the other side I'm just going to be using the drying concentrator. I'm just going to section off my hair into two parts so that we can clearly see the difference between using the two different endings. So this one I'll put up, and I will save for the paddle brush. Okay, so this side is probably about 90% dry now, and I have not put any product in it. This is just purely going from shower, towel dry, and using the hairdryer. There's like no frizziness. I'm honestly really amazed because when I use my regular hairdryer, my hair is just going all over the place. Like I have so many split ends. You can see that just my hair is just, I mean, it's so smooth. Why? Honestly, I guess that's just like the technology of the hairdryer, that it just, the negative ions. I mean, if I pull my strand of hair like this, look, there's like no frizziness along my hair. That is so impressive. You could just dry your hair using the drying concentrator and your hair will look really great. So now I'm gonna go do the other side using the paddle brush. This side is now dry. This was using the paddle brush. I mean, you can just see it looks so silky and straight. And then the side where I didn't use any kind of special brush, it was just the specific drying concentrator. I mean, you can see my bangs, these need a little bit of work, but otherwise everything actually does still look pretty smooth. Really did a great job at just smoothing everything out. Again, I did not put any product in my hair. This is just what the brush did on its own. Like, I'm actually really amazed. It like, oh my god, has my hair ever looked that good? And it looks so freaking smooth. Look at this silkiness. Wow. Honestly, I'm just speechless because I did not expect it to look this good. And also, just for context, guys, like, I received this as a gift, but I am not at all obligated to give you guys any kind of false review or to glorify the product more than it actually is. Truly just my honest review and opinion, and I'm very, very impressed. Like, how is that so silky? I am sold. That's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and just touch up this side now because it's just not even. Be right back. So that's my demonstration of the Tymo AirExcel high-speed hot airbrush. I really am genuinely impressed with how silky my hair looks. Again, not having used any product in it, when if I would have used a regular hairdryer, my hair would be an absolute mess. I have a lot of split ends. I have a lot of breakage, and you can't really see it because everything just looks so smooth. The question is, do I recommend this product? I can honestly say with absolute certainty, I do. Feels really great. It feels like really great quality. I really like also how quickly it shuts off when you hit the off button. I know with my hair dryer, it like kind of has like a delay. This feels like a very good size just to be able to do blow dries on your hair. Really like that I have the option to just do a quick dry using the drying concentrator, and that I can easily just switch between different heads based on what kind of style I'm going for. Honestly, the fact that you kind of get 3 styling tools in one, this is such a steal. I'm really amazed by how healthy and shiny my hair looks and just the overall feel of using the product. I think it's really great that, you know, everything comes apart, so it's really great for travel. This will be really great for my honeymoon in Japan, you know, like really makes a difference when you separate the pieces, where a lot of other ones, you know, they're stuck on top and you're stuck with this giant bulky piece in your luggage. Meanwhile, for this, you know, more compact, even just having like the extra pieces in your luggage, like really, really practical. But I can honestly say, like, this is such a win. I really love this product. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked my demonstration and review of the Tymo AirExcel hot airbrush. I really enjoyed it. I think it's a really great product. Again, this video is not at all sponsored by Tymo. This is totally just me giving my honest and genuine review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.